In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import JSON into N8n in just 5 minutes. We'll guide you through this process, step by step, to ensure you'll have your workflow up and running smoothly. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open N8n in your browser. It's important to ensure you have a stable internet connection for a seamless experience. Navigate to your preferred browser and input the N8n URL to access the platform. Once you're on the N8n dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout if this is your first time here. Next, you want to create a new workflow. Look for the button that says Create Workflow and give it a click. This will open up a blank canvas where we'll be working. Creating a new workflow is a crucial step because it serves as the foundation for what we're about to import. Now turn your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a Save button with a 3-dot icon beside it. You'll want to click that icon. This little button opens up a new set of options for manipulating your workflow. From the options that appear, select either Import from URL or Import from File. Choosing Import from URL is useful when you have a direct link, while Import from File is your go-to if the file is stored locally on your computer. Make sure you have easy access to the file or link, depending on your choice. Once you've selected your preferred import method, it's time to choose your JSON workflow file. Navigate through your folders to locate the file you wish to import. This JSON file should contain your pre-designed workflow, properly formatted and ready for action. Careful selection here ensures that you're loading the correct workflow. After you've made your selection, click the Import button. Be patient as the platform processes your request. This is the moment where your existing workflow comes to life on the N8n editor. You'll quickly see the imported workflow appear on your screen, all nodes and connections intact. Before we conclude, take a moment to review the nodes and connections within the workflow editor. Ensure everything appears as expected. If you see anything amiss, this is a great time to make the necessary adjustments. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything, don't forget to save your work. Activate the workflow to make it live and active. Saving and activating are the final steps in cementing your workflow into the N8n ecosystem, ready to automate your tasks. A quick tip before we wrap up. Ensure your JSON file is well formatted and properly adheres to N8n's workflow schema. This will prevent any errors during the import process and ensure everything runs smoothly. And there you have it. Your JSON file is now successfully imported into N8n. Thanks for watching and happy automating.